Okay, if we're going to construct the angle bisector for an angle, then I'm going to start obviously with an angle. So I've got my angle CAB right here. Remember, I name an angle by its vertex. So to begin to bisect angle A, then I'm going to start my compass out at angle A. I'm going to put my anchor point at point A. I want to bisect the vertex. So I'm going to make sure that my anchor point is right there at the center of point A. I'm going to stretch my compass to an arbitrary width. That means whatever width I want it to be, okay? And I'm going to make an arc. I want to have 2 points that are the same distance from point A. And by me making an arc at point A, I'm ensuring that my 2 new points right here, where my arc crosses the original angle, are at the same distance from point A, because they represent radii of a circle from point A. And then I can set my compass to any arbitrary width that I want to, wherever I want it to go. I do have to think about here, have to visualize where an angle bisector would go. So, I know that an angle bisector is going to go within the angle, inside this white space here. So when I make this mark, I'm going in the white space. I'm in the vicinity of where I know that angle bisector is going to run. And I did it from the first point that I found using my arc, and then I'll do it from the second point that I found, and I'm just concerned with where those 2 arcs are going to cross. Remember, these are arbitrary widths. They can be whatever width of my compass that I want them to be, but they do have to be the same from each point. That creates a new point where those 2 arcs cross, and if I join that point to point A, then I have myself an angle bisector. Let's do it in a different color here. So I'll use my straight edge to connect my new point to my vertex. And draw that line. And that black line represents my angle bisector. That line creates 2 angles that are equal. This angle here is equal to this angle here. And I can label this point angle D. Point D, excuse me. And now I know that angle CAD is congruent to angle DAB. All done.